Hi again. We have another unboxing item here. It's a coffee maker. Well, they say it's semi-automatic, so we'll see. The brand is called or named Donlim. Donlim? There. It's very small. Oh, where's the camera? Have fun with our lives. Very corny. So again, it's from China. I'm going to unbox this, and maximum wattage is 850. Still high. So from what I watched, you can use a grounded coffee for this one. And you can also add fresh milk. So it's more like an instant latte or homemade latte. I already have a grounded coffee beans here. I bought it at the supermarket. So I'll open this. I'll just put this down. I can't carry this anymore. It's delicate. I'll put this beside the air fryer. We'll see what's inside. Hey, hey. Smells like a disc player. How good it has an adapter. Donlim manual. I hope there's English. I hope that's not hope. No, there's no English. Uh, hey. So there's this. I'm not familiar. But, well, I mean, I'm familiar. You know, if you go to a coffee shop, so they always use these, like they discharge or what do you call it? Tap out the used grounded coffee beans. And so here is it. It's also small and compact. This is where you put the water. I think, yes, of course. Let me open this. There's a scoop or what? I don't know. You know, the plastic feels not so expensive. Here. China has weird tapes. First time I've seen this. There's a plate for what? I don't know. It just sits here for no reason. So small. Okay. So this is where you will put the, what do you call that? You. This one. Okay. Then you can adjust. There are other videos there wherein they demonstrated the use of this Donlim machine. Maybe you can watch those. Or there really isn't much to showcase here. Um, Only just a few parts. Oops. So that's it. Your instant coffee maker with grounds. Those that are really, or rather branded coffee makers, they would really um, cost more than 10,000. Well, like for our office, it's 120,000. So this is just for home use. There's another tape here. You can remove this part. I'll just put it back. Okay, so that's your coffee maker. Okay, so that's just it. Nothing much really to discuss. Um, just some basic functions here. Okay, so I'm totally clueless about this. I did watch some videos, but I haven't thought of it that much. But I'm prepared, so I think it's really easy. I already have the grounded coffee beans there, and I have fresh milk. Okay, so this is your Donlim coffee maker. I think this is less than 4,000. It's available at our local online um, shopping sites. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. Thank you and good night.